Guys, it's Jessie here at the Webaround. I just received my Webaround and I'm going to show you how to set it up. First, remove the Webaround from the packaging. The Webaround comes with some good tips and tricks written in here as well as on our website, and a warning to be careful because this item is under spring steel pressure. Pulling the Webaround out of its included traveling bag is the part you have to be careful of. So we're going to let it pop right open. Now, we are going to fold up the built-in stabilizer. I like to do this for the first time kind of near the ground. I'm going to pull back the vertical strap and unhook the horizontal straps. Now I'm going to use the Velcro side of this strap and place it somewhere near the middle. You can always change it afterwards, but the middle works for most chairs. And then this part of the integrated stabilizer is going to sit along the back of your chair, right here. What this is going to do is counteract the pitch of your chair so your Webaround stays straight instead of curves back. Once you've got this in place, put it on your chair. So I've got my built-in stabilizer out against the back of the chair here, and I'm going to put the horizontal straps on. And then place the vertical strap. This strap pulls it a little bit more forward for you. Then now I'm noticing that I've got some light coming in from my window, so I'm going to close my curtains. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up on your computer. So when you're using a webcam, think about as if you're looking at somebody in the eye. I like to think about our camera as the person we're talking to. So it's important to make sure your camera's at eye level. I'm just going to use a banker's box to do this, but you could use a laptop stand or books or other boxes, whatever works for you. So I'm going to place this on here. Make sure it's centered. Make sure my eyes are looking at the camera. And now I'm going to open up my camera app. You can do this two ways, either by searching for camera in the search bar or actually opening up the app. Now I'm going to see that I've got the corner showing a little bit of my background, so I'm going to just sit back a little bit on my chair, scooch in a second, and just lift my Webaround up a little bit. Maybe pull my box a little bit closer. Now I've got pretty good coverage. If you're using an external camera, like a Logitech camera, make sure it's placed in the middle of your computer. Plug it in. And use the integrated software that comes with your external camera. That's called Logitech Capture for Logitech cameras. Open that up. And with Logitech Capture, I can zoom my camera in and out and pan it up, down, left, and right. Once you've got your camera set up, whether it's external or integrated into your computer, just open up whatever web conferencing software you're using or gaming software you're using. When you're done, I'll show you how to fold up your Webaround. When you're done using your Webaround, simply take it off your chair, fold it back up, and put it in its attached carrying case. So I like to put the top of my Webaround down on the ground, and then unhook the integrated stabilizer, fold it down, line your hands up with the strap, fold it up like a taco, as we say, and then bend your wrists in. My thumbs are pointing at myself right now. And the third piece of my Webaround's right here. You can either grab it with one hand and pull it up like this, or sometimes you can use your knee. Once you have it fully coiled up, it's important to put it back in its carrying case or it will uncoil. That is how you use and close your Webaround.